Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on ACER Predator 17. To do it, click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings, and then go to Personalization. Now, go to Background, and you can select background as picture, solid color, or slideshow. First I'm going to select the picture. You can select any of the pictures. These are the recent ones, but you can also browse for anything that you have on your system. So you may have something in downloads or whatever, then select that. And by the way, you can also choose a fit for your desktop image so it fits the most. Just depends on the size of the picture and the proportions and the size of your screen, the resolution and stuff, and it'll adjust the picture to that, so it's the most accurate. It's usually the best at fill, but sometimes it may be better with some other ones, so just have that in mind. If you set it to solid color, of course you can set a solid color or slideshow, and you can select a folder for your slideshow, and there's just a few other settings for that. I'm gonna select picture, and let's set that one. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.